was this notion that somebody had Mogan David wine around.
It is pretty much what I
So what's the answer? Uncle Jim, what do you say? They didn't drink.
I think that was before they started brewing beer, wasn't it?
Does anybody remember if we had anything to drink 21 years ago?
Oh, for sure we did.
Oh, for sure we did. I don't remember.
Oh, yeah.
Skip generation.
Lots of wine.
I was married.
Well, anyway, so I have nothing more to say, but I'm kind of hoping we'd have other little vignettes and stories, anecdotes we could sort of jam. You're good at this.
What about we should turn it over to our to the original Jim? You want to tell address the
It's a video.
Oh, look.
He's looking for the exit.
Oh, it's right. I was going to do that too.
Yeah, come on, we want to hear you.
It's amazing to see the crowd. Thanks very much for coming. Take a look at me. I'm 93. I'm almost where my mother was. She died at 94. There's, I think, a longevity gene on my mother's side. Her parents lived to either late 80s. She lives to 94. I will be next year. And must be a genius. All of you think about that genius. Friends. Anyway, I won't say any more about that. But it's great to be healthy. I'm happily married, with a wonderful son. I have to say I'm enjoying life. So don't feel sorry for me. Having a great time. I mentioned that I'm the last of the Egypt generation. When I'm gone, Egypt will be ancient history. And I'm not going to do that. Anybody who is interested in our family history in Egypt and how it came about, what became of it, it's in the family history that I put together for the second generation.
Very grateful.
Yep.
Anyway, all I'll say about Egypt is that because my childhood, I thought it was wonderful. Protected, small, one-room schoolhouse, all 8 grades. Every grade, there were 4 kids in my class. So it was a good experience. I enjoyed it very much compared to modern American school. We'll let it go at that. I was thinking about the food. As George Burns said, when it comes to food, I need all the preservatives I can get.
Does anybody have questions?
Good. Anyway, we wish you well. Thanks for coming.